So we're gonna try something a little different today. In the galley with Greg. We got the toast that he just dropped on the grill. Dennis over here just ordered up a plate, a breakfast plate. So, oh, looks like he's got some pre-cooked potatoes. Semi pre-cooked. They're warmed up, going on the grill there to heat up. Whatever Greg ordered, I ordered. So we're gonna just see how Greg puts it together. Now, last night I was talking to him and he says he was born in New Zealand, but came to the States when?
4.
Well, you're 4 years old, but you don't live in the States now, do you?
No, I live as an illegal alien in Baja, California.
Okay, there you go.
Papers to be down there.
Yeah, one of my friends, she just got her semi-citizenship or whatever it is because of their house down there.
FM3 or FM4.
Yeah, whatever it is, she just got that.
Yeah, I'm back and forth too much. I don't really need it, but I should have it.
So,
But
so how long have you been cooking on these boats?
15 years.
Okay, but you're a fisherman through and through.
Yeah. Much better fisherman than cook.
Better fisherman than cook. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Maybe I should cancel my order?
My food sucks, but it's lukewarm.
Okay, that's good. On a cold day like today, it'll work. You can see that fresh butter he just slid on there. Flipped our pieces of toast over. Those are looking good on the grill, Greg. Okay, we got sausage patties coming out of the spaghetti pot from last night. So
Sausage meat warmer.
there we go. And I heard he could crack 2 eggs at a time with one hand.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see.
They lied. Somebody lied.
Oh, he uses 2 hands for 1 egg.
Yeah, 2 hands for 1 egg.
Oh man, great job there.
We're on a boat. We gotta keep these things freaking going everywhere.
And Dennis and I ordered ours over medium.
With cheese.
And with the rock of the boat, you're trying to keep from dropping down there in the trough where it will be lost forever. Oh, nice catch. There we go.
The first ones are always a little. Oh,
Nicely done.
nicely enough. Can you see
See
the
this?
rock?
This adds so much pressure to these guys. It's like catching fish. When you're the captain of the boat, the stress to produce fish for all these guys that paid big bucks to come out here.
That's the guy that gets the most credit. The guy driving the boat. He's got everything on him. If he catches fish, he's a hero. If he don't, he's a zero.
I used to run some 6-packs in Florida, and I could not handle the stress of not catching offshore boats. I could always bring them in and put them on some snappers or maybe a grouper or 2, but finding the dolphin and catching sailfish, that stuff is a lot harder. A lot harder.
No trick. Melted cheese.
Oh, so what does the water do for those guys?
The cheese just melts the cheese real good and quick.
Oh, look at that cheese. Just melted it right down.
Someone's getting a wet piece of toast though.
Yeah, oh well. Usually by now everything's wet on the boat.
Some of them, a couple of them, over medium cheesy.
Look at Greg, he can't wait. Here, I'm not Greg, Dennis. There we go. Now look at that breakfast.
All right, I'm ready.
It's as good as Denny's or IHOP, but it's Greg's.
It's better.
Yeah, but it
better.
It has the best seasoning of all. At sea.
At
The
sea.
best seasoning
It has
of
some
all.
at sea salt. All right.
Cousin Dennis.
Thank you. It's Cousin Jim, buddy.
Jim. See how fucking it out to eat.
Well, I called him Greg, so the same thing happened.
Started it.
We're all the same. Look at this though, people. Cheese, eggs, hash browns, sourdough toast, sausage. Great looking breakfast. Hey, in the galley with Greg. Thank you, buddy.
God, buddy.
So Dennis, before you put another bite in your mouth, how is this galley in the galley with Greg?
Always good.
Always good. You fish this boat a lot?
I fish this one 2 or 3 times a year usually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've seen Greg's act before.
Yes.
Cool.
And it's always good.
All right. Here we go. I'm going to enjoy it. I got a little almond butter and honey over there on that piece. So we got a little bit more Greg in the galley going here. It's almost lunchtime. You got something over here in the pot, Greg?
Yeah, we're doing pastrami.
Pastrami.
For Reuben sandwiches.
There we go. Here we are in the galley with Greg again. So he's got his pastrami going there. We're doing pastrami on rye. Look at these guys. They're all eagerly waiting right here. And then what kind of salads do we have? A little potato salad and macaroni salad?
You choose. Mustard?
These guys are all ready for lunch. Look at them just lining up here.
Very nice salad. What
There we-
number you are?
Exactly. This is in the galley with Greg. See how the food is? Looks like Lee did a pretty good job on his sandwich already. How is that all?
It's good. Good stuff. Best
Good
Reuben
stuff.
I've ever had. Chef Greg is
Best Reuben you ever had?
best Reuben I've ever had.
Wow, that's high praise for boat food.
Greg's a legend.
All right, we're gonna come in and check in with these guys. I was gonna ask them if the food was any good, but it's almost gone, so obviously. Thumbs up. There we go. And this guy's just getting started, but he's smiling behind that napkin. Pretty good looking sandwiches there, Greg.
They're pretty delicious.
Now, is there any reason you cut them vertically rather than at the angle?
No.
Okay, I was
I'm
just curious.
Not fancy.
You're not fancy?
A dyad? I could do one for you.
Nope, nope, nope. I was just wondering if you cut the crust off on request.
I'll do anything for $1.
Exactly. We're having fun here.
Very small.
Here we go, back in the galley.
Making his own lunch.
This is Greg's lunch. He isn't eating any of that pastrami. He's having a salad with those fungi.
Fungus.
So the boat just slowed down. Everybody got up and rushed out to the deck. I got up and thought, let's do another minute in the galley with Greg.
Oh yeah.
So there we go. That is not my kind of lunch, but
Gotta watch that girlish figure.
in the galley with Greg. What else is going on there? Little turkey breast.
Yeah, I think we'll put a little turkey on there.
There we go.
A little protein.
Okay, this is on the rail with Greg.
On the rail with Greg.
Is this where you want to be, buddy?
Yeah, up there where the birds are, I'll flop it, hopefully catching some bluefin. Yes.
So we're getting there.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Are we there yet?
Not
Are we at
yet.
the spot?
4 more minutes. Here we are back in the galley with Greg. It's almost dinner time. We're sauteing up some onions here.
We're a ways
At least
off
that's
from
what it
dinner.
smells like. Oh, I don't even know what time it is. I just
Blake wants to know what time we're going to do with dinner. What's that? Blake wants to know what time we're going to do with dinner. Tell him it could be as early as like 6:30 or as late as 7:30. What's he want? Alright.
So what are you doing for dinner tonight, Greg?
Chili verde with pork.
Chili
White
verde
rice,
with
corn tortillas, a good salad, and then some
okay.
Belgian cream puff thingies. We make them down in the engine room.
Belgium cream puffs.
We make them.
All the way from Belgium?
Yeah, we make them down in the engine room, and then we.
There you go.
And then we box them up.
Those are nice. Okay, Ola is on here in the corner. We got Cameron helping him work this fish. We had a bunch of foamers come in right behind the boat. We only got one hookup. You're doing good, Ola. How is that?
Thank you, sir.
First,
He's pulling pretty good, but we're getting him.
yeah, you'll get him. Just keep working him. You don't have,
Hey, cousin Jim.
yeah.
Whose rod's in his hand?
That's your rod. Greg in the Galley hooked him up.
It feels like that, but as long as
Okay, here we got Greg in the Galley again.
Here we are again.
We saw him sauteing onions and stuff earlier, but now he's flipping tortillas.
Tortilla really are.
The tortilla flotilla.
That's a good name for him.
There you go. Little Pam on the grill.
Clog your arteries and shit like that.
Look at these guys coming through with their salads. Oh yeah. There we go. We got Brody there in the back of the line. So what you got in here, Greg?
Deliciousness. Pork, loin, chopped up, and chili verde. Should be pure deliciousness.
There we go. I think these guys are gonna love this.
They should.
Let me slide out of your way.
Ready? Yes. Yeah. Set it up how you like it. Ooh, this is sketchy. Gotta be masterful or get burned.
Okay, so you've got chili verde on some white rice.
That's good. Come back for more if you're hungry.
About 3 tortillas. Brody.
Sleep at the wheel.
starting in the back or what?
Yeah, that's how I like to do it. Then you don't walk it. You keep walking by the people you got food. Unless there's a woman, and you serve her first.
Checking on the food. Is it hot? Hot and good. There we go. These guys are all over it again. If nothing else, we're eating good on this boat.
How about the dinner?
I'm not. I don't like green chili, so this one's not for me. But it's okay. All right, here we are with Greg in the Galley. Well, I don't think we asked you this. What do you do for fun when you're not fishing?
Surf.
Surf.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
Been surfing since I was 9. I'm 57.
So you you surf a longboard now, or?
I got from 5'10" to 10'3".
And,
Yeah, real quiver. But yeah, longer boards as we get older.
Okay.
Definitely.
so where do you live?
More fun. Mexico. La Misión, Baja California.
Okay, well, we're having a good time.
Yes.
Thanks for a great trip. The food was wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
You kept everybody entertained, so thanks, Greg.
Court jester.
Exactly.
That's a wrap.